out this 300 just now above somewhere. It's given, I think so. Yeah. Now we have found out 300, right? So x plus 300 equals to AE plus EC. AE is what? 300 root 3. See this AE plus EC. EC is what? This part, smaller part. That is x upon root 3. See this df equals to x upon root 3 df, and this EC and df are parts of a rectangle, right? Therefore this also x upon root 3. So x upon root 3. Now solve it for x. X plus 300 equals to 300 into 3 plus x upon root 3, right? This multiplication, take root 3 on the other side. Root 3x plus 300 root 3 equals to 900 plus x. Solve it for x. Therefore root 3x minus x equals to 900 minus 300 root 3. X into root 3 minus 1 equals to 900 minus 300 root 3. In fact, you can directly use this 1.73 earlier also. It becomes easier. So x into root 3 minus 1 equals to 300 root 3 common into root 3 minus 1. Don't do all these things in exam, stupidity. Directly do 1.73 and solve it. So use 1.73, multiply it and find it. So what happens? Why have I done this? Because what happens? See this. Root 3 is getting cancelled. That's why I have taken this common. So 900 can be written as what? 300 into 3. Right? And that 3 can be written as what? Root 3 into root 3. So 300 into. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.